Start building your crypto empire right here on the Gemini Exchange. Invest in the future of money with as little as $5. My name is Adam Shelton and I'm the Gemini Master, and this is a Gemini review for beginners. So if you're the first time investing into cryptocurrency, you want to watch this video. If you want to use Gemini, because Gemini is a really easy way to go ahead and start investing today. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because it's the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. So just like it says right here, start building your crypto empire, invest in the future. Click on the link below to get your access to your free account. And also, when you invest today, you'll go ahead and get a chance to see what's hot and what's not on the marketplace. Now, when you go ahead and start investing, you'll get to a page that looks just like this. And check this out. You'll see all the market in terms of cryptos right on this page here. Just like it says here, it says Bitcoin's on the rise, and it talks about Bitcoin. But you know what? Gemini has other actually assets, including Dogecoin, including Chainlink, including Aave, and including the Graph. Those are a couple of ones I really like. Now, if this is your first time here, when you click on the link below and you get signed up, this is the page you'll come into when you sign up correctly. Now, if I want to buy Dogecoin, right from the main screen, all I have to do is go to Dogecoin. Then from this page here, I'll get a chance to look at some basic information on what Dogecoin is all about. I'll see what's been happening in the pricing movement, the pricing history, the 1 day, the 1 hour, the 1 week, the 1 month, and the 1 year. Check that out. Look at the 1 year. Look at the 1 year as well. So the 1 year is definitely has been, let's check this. I think it's 1 month, 1 year. Okay, 1 year, because you know why it says 1 year? Because Gemini just added Dogecoin on here around May 5th. So that's why it looks very short. I'm like, 1 year, but they just recently just did that. But if I look at like the one, the 1 week, I'll see a little bit more of an actually activity that's going on. And then you read about what's about the Dogecoin, the market cap currently, the volume level that's currently 24 hours, the circulating supply, and the all-time high. It's hit an all-time high 75 cents just recently, and looks like it's going to get ready to have another surge in terms of this asset. And then here you read about what Dogecoin is about. You read about, about a little bit about what it does and basically what it's all about. If I click on read more, I understand the background, understand the token, the supply. And then I also can go to the website. If I click on here, I'll go right to the Dogecoin website. 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. And you'll learn about what it does, what is Dogecoin, choose your wallet, and etc. All the information, just one I just got from here. You see how cool that is? So you'll learn about the cryptocurrency. So you want to do your research before you even invest. Do your research before you do it. And that's what I do. I do the research. I go to the website. I also look at the price history. I'll look at, what problems they're trying to solve. There's a couple of things that I look at as well. So you can learn about that right on the Gemini Exchange. And then my Gemini, shows you how many Gemini that's in your actual exchange. I currently do not have any Gemini on here as in right now, but if I did, it will show up right here on this page here. And it says current transactions, etc. So that's how you would look at the history, a little bit of research before you even invest right from the Gemini Exchange. Because remember, start building your crypto empire right here as little as $5. Click on the link below to get started. Now, if I want to buy over to the right, I'll just buy it. So if I say, let's say I want to buy it first. I want to do it just one time, and I'll just type in the amount of money I want to invest to. So what budget do you have? Do you have $100? Just type in $100. If you only have $10 or even $5, because remember it says as little as $5 to get started, get going, get some traction going with Dogecoin. So if I did $5, I'll get about 12 Dogecoin, and then I review it, and then I'll review this, and then 1 minute here. Okay, All right. Then it shows me kind of a little bit about the history, a little about the breakdown on terms of what the next steps are. Available for withdrawal. It tells me the 4 to 5 business days. Order amount, which is $4. And the transaction fee will be 99 cents. Not too bad, not too shabby. Then I'll just confirm it, and then I'll end up having that Dogecoin in my actually exchange wallet. And it's really, really cool. That's simple. It's really that simple. And check this out. If I want to change my payment method, I'll just click on here and add the bank or debit card. Or if I want to add another bank, I can do that. I can add a debit card. I can do that. It's really pretty simple. Just click there, follow the steps. You should be good to go. I love Gemini, the Gemini Exchange, the Gemini Master. Man, I love Gemini because it's so easy for beginners and for newbies. Now, let me go back here and check it out. If I want to sell my Dogecoin, I don't have any Doge right now, but if I did, I'll just type in the amount I want to sell. So if I want to sell 10, I want to sell 10. That's how much it's worth, $3.98. I'll just review my order and we'll just go from there. So it's very easy. And you set this up in your bank account. I'll click on review order. It shows me I don't have any Doge, but if I did, that's exactly what it would do. I'll show you one that exactly, I'll show you some Bitcoin because I think I have some Bitcoin. Let me go to Bitcoin. I believe I have some Bitcoin. So if I want to sell some Bitcoin, that's what I would do. I can just go there. I can type in, look at that, and I can review. And that's how it looks like if you have any assets in your exchange. You just type in the amount that you currently have, and then you click on the button, and then you go up to the next screen, and it'll break an order summary breakdown of exactly how much it will be done. So here, it'd be $45 due back to me, which is not too bad, and it'll go right into my bank account. Let me go back here for a minute. So you can start as little as $5, start building your crypto empire, invest in the future of Gemini. I love Gemini. Okay, so we talked about a little bit about the market, this page here. The next part will be earned. You can earn interest off your Gemini exchange. So you can earn interest, which is really, really cool. Now, Gemini just came out with this not too long ago, of where you can earn up to 7.40% APY on your crypto. Redeem at any time. If you want to learn more about that, click on learn more, and it breaks it down in even more detail. Calculating your earnings, start earning, put your crypto balance back to work. Put it to work. With Gemini Earn, you can receive up to 7.4% APY on your cryptocurrency. So you can learn more about this when you just click on that button there. And it really adds up after a while when you're signing a 2-year interest agreement and you have so much assets in your wallet and you're earning interest while you sleep. So that's a little bit about that. And the frequently asked questions is going to be right there. Frequently asked questions is really good because a lot of times these questions that customers has asked before, these are questions that I still ask sometimes. But I definitely went through this very, very, very closely. But I wanted to show you this because some of this stuff is like, what is it? Just like it says here, what is Gemini Earn? Gemini Earn is a lending program through which you may choose to lend your crypto to certain institutional borrowers and earn interest on your crypto. Just like that. Just like that. Very, very basic, breaks it down. So let's go back to this page right here. Now, all you have to do to basically participate in the Earn program is literally click on Earn. So if I click on Earn, there, and it says, okay, I need to select a crypto to earn interest. So I choose Bitcoin. I have some Bitcoin that has not been earning any interest. So I'm going to go ahead and do maximal. I'm going to do the maximal of Bitcoin. And so from there, and also here, I can choose a different one if I needed to. But I'm going to choose Bitcoin because I know I have it in my portfolio that's not in an interest account. So I'm going to move it to an interest account. Transfer trading balance to an interest account. And I did maximal, and it'd be approximately $50.51. Click continue. The next page is going to say earn confirmation and breaks down the details. And here is a small print here. You can read that as well. And then click continue or confirm. and it says success. You will begin earning interest on this amount of Bitcoin within 1 business day. Then I can view it in my portfolio. If I go to my portfolio, this is the next part I was going to show you. You're going to see that Bitcoin has now been added in there. That Bitcoin has now been added, and you can see it right. I meant to look at the other page of the activity. So yes, that has been added in there, and yes, it's been added. Let me go back to earn. We'll go back to earn. Go back to earn. And it looks like it's been added. Yeah, because this number has changed. And it's been added. I'm just going to go down here. Okay, so that has been added in there. So that earn has been added. And check this out. If I want to redeem it, I can redeem it. Basically, if I will redeem it back to my bank account or redeem it for, for different reasons, I can do maximal, or I can just do it. I can do a smaller amount. I can actually do a smaller amount and click continue. Just to crypto, select a crypto to redeem, so I can actually redeem this, back to my bank account. So that's simple, very easy. You can actually earn crypto, actually interest, while you sleep, or while you just walking around, while you just doing the dishes or anything like that, which is really cool to do, and really cool to receive, I should say. Really cool to receive. Now, the more you have, the more you're gonna earn interest. That's like anything else. The more you have, the more you're gonna earn interest. Now, the portfolio, the last part of the area I want to show you, is very basic. This is your entire portfolio that you have. So this currently, I have $1,327.05. That's currently at market account value. Now, on here, the quick links is basically just going to direct you to this actually information that says right here. Complete transaction, that's down there. And then pending orders is going to be down there as well. And you get the understanding of this. Recurring buys right there. So it's basically pretty much going to redirect you to that particular area. Now, this shows you your entire portfolio, everything. Everything. What I like about it, it shows you a graph of how things have been up and down. So May or it looked like March 21st, it was $84. And then you see May 8th is $1,648. It's just kind of, just kind of basically go ups and down. You can see what your actually portfolio is doing for you. And so you get a chance to track that right here. You can do it 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. And then your trading balances. This is everything that's not in the interest account, but this is actually available to trade. I can trade this out. So I can actually trade this. I can sell it, I can earn it, or I can buy more. So you have 3 different options you can do when you're in a trading balance sequence. So 1 inch right now, I can buy more, I can sell it, or I can put it in the interest account. The same thing with Decentraland as well. And I like about it, if all I have to do is click on here, and I can go right to the actually asset and learn more about it. I can buy more, I can sell, I can do some more research right from there. So it's really cool and really easy to do. And so the earn balance, we talked a little bit about that. The earn balance, click on that. Okay, the earn balance is showing me, plus $47. Because remember, we just added some Bitcoin into our earn balance account, but it also shows me a total earn balance, $162.73. And it shows me all the assets that's in the earned interest account. So it's very easy. And over here, the actions, I can click on to earn more if I have more assets to be able to be earning more, or I can redeem it as well. So it's really cool to do that as well. And this is the transaction history, recurring buy history, and then price alerts. You can set price alerts really cool just by going to an asset and setting up a price alert. So right here, I have a Bitcoin price alert that enable, and I got some pause. So I'll show you really quickly how to do that. Hold on, let me show you this. So I can delete it too. I can delete with these three dots. I can delete it there. Those actually alerts. But how to set one up really cool is that if I go to Decentraland for an example, and then right here, I'll just go there. Oh, excuse me, watch. Oh, right here. Okay. Right here. So I can do right there. This is how I set up a price alert. So watching is basically means you're watching. It's kind of like in your favorite area. And then here, that's how you set up your price alert. So you can manually say, okay, so when this hits $1.50, I'm going to get alerted from myself. I'm going to get a text from actually Gemini. It literally texts you when we hit 150. It will. So when it hits $1.50, I'm going to get a text alert. So that's really cool to do. Market alert. This shows me if it moves up and down. I'll get alerts if whenever, major price movement, I'll get an alert from there. But I already set up my custom target alert, so I'll get that. And also it's going to be right here as well that the update has happened. So if I go to price alert, it shows me exactly when that's been enabled. So this is a basic overview of really Gemini Exchange for beginners, buying, selling, and holding. I just wanted to do something very, very basic here, go over market, doing some research from here. And the watch list is basically, just the ones that you really, really are paying attention to. Top movers is basically what's the ones are moving the highest, and top traded, the ones that are the most popularly being traded currently, which one? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. I'm not surprised by those top three that's top traded on this action exchange. Recently launched, Dogecoin was recently launched and has really, really spunk a lot of volume. And here's your DeFi tokens as well. Uniswap is leading that. But if I click on all, I get a chance to see them all. And then you can go ahead and do your research on each and every single one of them. And absolutely, I'm so excited that you guys decide to check on Gemini. Click on the link below to get started with the Gemini Exchange. And I'm Adam Shelton. Don't forget, click on the link below to start building your crypto empire. Invest in the future of money with as little as $5. Click on the link below. Get started with Gemini. You can get started. Start investing today. And I'll see you on the next video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. And I'm glad you watched this video, and I'll see you on the next one.